Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Bridge Bites. Let's cook and bake. Today we'll be seeing an immunity booster drink. This can be made easily with things available at your home. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's see the ingredients. Lemon, small piece. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, natural antioxidant and improves the immune system. Cinnamon, 2-inch. It is an antiviral, antibacterial and it has antifungal properties. Ajwain or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon. It has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. Ginger, 2 medium pieces. It helps in protecting respiratory system. It is an antibacterial and antioxidant. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and very strong antioxidant. Cloves, 6 numbers. It is a strong antibacterial agent and antioxidant. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. It is also an antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. Tulsi, 10 to 15 leaves. Tulsi is a rich source of vitamin C and zinc, and it has antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal properties. Zira or cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon. It also has an antioxidant properties. So first we'll crush the ginger. Then we'll add the remaining ingredients except for lemon and turmeric. Crush them well. You can even use a mixie jar and pulse it for a few seconds. This is so easy that my daughter has fun preparing it. And she is demonstrating it for you. Take 1 liter of water. This will be good enough for 4 people. Add the crushed ingredients. Squeeze in the quarter lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Boil it until it reduces to 3/4 of the size. Strain it and enjoy it hot. If you wish, you can even add sweetener of your choice like jaggery, honey or palm candy. You can even add extra honey if you're giving for the kids. If you like my video, don't forget to share, subscribe and comment below if you have any questions.